Welcome, riders and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of the 2024 Triumph Daytona 660, a bike that's set to redefine the middleweight sports segment. The Daytona 660 embodies Triumph's legacy of performance and precision. With its aggressive stance and aerodynamic design, it's a stunning fusion of style and function. The LED headlights and sharp lines exude a sense of speed even when it's standing still. The 2024 Triumph Daytona 660, which features a liquid-cooled 660 cubic centimeters inline-Triple with DOHC, 4 valves per cylinder, and a 240-degree firing order. It makes a claimed 94 horsepower at 11,250 RPM, 17% higher than the Trident 660, with redline at 12,650 RPM, and 51 lb-ft of torque at 8,250 RPM, 9% more than the Trident, with more than 80% of the torque available from 3,125 RPM. Has a 6-speed gearbox, throttle-by-wire, a slip/assist clutch, and 3-in-1 exhaust with a low stainless steel silencer. Triumph's Shift Assist is available as an accessory fit for clutchless up and downshifts. The Triumph Daytona 660 has 3 ride modes: Sport, Road, and Rain, each offering a different throttle response and level of traction control intervention, with Sport mode geared toward more aggressive road riding or track sessions. The Daytona 660 has twin LED headlights that incorporate a central air intake, as well as a contoured LED taillight. The bike has a color TFT screen integrated into a white-on-black LCD display that is compatible with the accessory Fit My Triumph connectivity system, which enables turn-by-turn navigation plus phone and music interaction. The bike uses a tubular steel perimeter frame design, like its siblings in the 660 range. Suspension-wise, you'll find a non-adjustable 41mm Showa upside-down separate function big piston, SFFBP, front fork. In the rear, you'll find a Showa monoshock with preload adjustability. Front-wheel travel is 4.33 inches, while rear-wheel travel is 5.11 inches. Braking duties are performed by a pair of 4-piston radial calipers and dual 310mm floating brake discs up front, as well as a single-piston sliding caliper in the rear with a 220mm floating disc setup. ABS is present at both ends. The bike rides on 5-spoke cast aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin's new Power 6 tires. Ergonomics also reflect the idea of real-world use. Clip-on bars are positioned above the top yoke, and foot pegs have been moved slightly up and back for a balance of comfort and cornering clearance. In conclusion, the 2024 Triumph Daytona 660 isn't just a machine, it's an adrenaline-fueled symphony of engineering and design. Whether you're a seasoned rider craving excitement or a newcomer seeking a taste of pure sport performance, this bike promises an unforgettable journey on 2 wheels.